Welcome to the best picks. The best tub paint kit is probably one of the most cost-effective ways to revamp your bathroom, giving your old porcelain tub a brand new look without the hefty price tag of a full replacement. This video will dive deep into what makes a great bathtub paint kit, exploring the application process, durability, and overall value to help you decide if it's the right choice for your bathroom renovation project. We will review the top-rated kits on the market, comparing their features, ease of use, and long-term performance to help you make an informed decision. Number 5. Ekopel Pour-On Refinishing Kit. It provides a brilliant gloss finish that revitalizes your bathtub, giving it a new look. This ensures a durable, long-lasting surface for a pristine appearance. It's fume-free and made without harmful chemicals. The long-lasting, oil-free glaze never peels, restoring your tub to a like-new shine. Free videos guide you through every step, from prep to application and finishing. It's a DIY project you can complete in just 2 to 4 hours. Everything you need is included: foam roller, scooper boxes, and easy pouring, safe-to-use Ekopel 2K enamel. You're all set to begin. It takes 24 hours to fully set before use. Maintain a temperature of 72 degrees Fahrenheit for the fastest cure time. It may take longer in cooler temperatures. This kit is odorless and non-toxic, making it safe for indoor use. Enjoy a safe and healthy refurbishment. It's engineered to withstand daily use and maintain its luster for years. It's the most durable solution for a long-lasting finish. What we like? It boasts unmatched durability and a brilliant gloss finish that lasts for years. If you're looking for a long-term solution that requires minimal effort, this is the one for you. Its easy application process makes it perfect for DIY enthusiasts. What people say? My bathtub still looks amazing. Total time spent 10 hours on the tub and surrounding tile walls. My 30 years old rusty tub looks new. The couple of rusted and chipped spots were covered well and gone. If you apply it correctly in prep, you should expect a beautiful glossy neutral white finish and no adhesion problems. Once it dries, it really attaches itself to the surface. Number 4. NADAMOO Tub Refinishing Kit. Transform your bathroom or kitchen with ease using our complete refinishing kit. It includes everything you need for a professional-looking finish. This kit contains a 35-ounce compound, hardener, gloves, brush, roller, and all the necessary masking materials. We've taken care of everything to make your project stress-free. Simply mix the two parts, then apply it to your surface using the roller or brush. It's that simple. It dries to a semi-gloss finish in 24 hours. For maximum hardness, wait 7 days before using hot water. It works on porcelain, ceramic, fiberglass, stone, and plastic. It provides a long-lasting, beautiful finish. Ideal for updating tubs, sinks, showers, and more, whether you're renting or own your home. One kit covers up to 50 square feet. Our water-based formula has a low odor, making it a more pleasant DIY experience. Enjoy a fresh, updated look without harsh fumes. What we like? This kit comes with all the necessary tools and is incredibly easy to use, even for beginners. If you value convenience and want a product that works on various surfaces, this is your best bet. It's perfect for renters or anyone looking for a quick and simple solution. What people say? What a difference. Not only just in smell, this paint is barely noticeable in smell and less smelly than typical wall acrylic paint, but this paint is so much easier to apply than Rust-Oleum. The finish came out great with a light sheen to it and a deep black color. I even coated the garbage disposal throat with 4 coats and it looks great. NADAMOO has a more satin finish compared to Rust-Oleum's gloss finish. It didn't hide everything, but the satin finish is very forgiving. The NADAMOO paint, even with the harder added, stayed in liquid form in the container with the cover on. And there's no rush to paint as quickly as you can. Number 3. Rust-Oleum 7860519 Refinishing Kit. Is your tub or tile looking old and worn? This amazing kit can make it look brand new in just a few hours. It's easy to use and delivers incredible results. It combines the strength of acrylic with the scratch resistance of epoxy. You'll get a finish that's built to last and withstand daily wear and tear. Apply it easily with a brush, roller, or sprayer. It's incredibly versatile and adapts to your preferred method. The self-leveling formula minimizes brush marks, giving you a smooth, professional-looking finish every time. Say goodbye to imperfections. It creates a beautiful, porcelain-like finish that's washable, non-yellowing, and highly resistant to wear and abrasion. Enjoy a renewed bathroom for years to come. With this kit, you can easily restore your tub, tile, or sink to their former glory. It's the perfect solution for a quick and affordable bathroom update. What we like? It combines the durability of acrylic with the scratch resistance of epoxy, offering a long-lasting, resilient finish. If you need a tough, protective coating that's easy to apply, this is the ideal choice. Its self-leveling formula ensures a smooth, professional-looking result. What people say. If you're looking to update your bathroom or just tub shower but aren't looking to spend the multiple thousands it costs to do a complete gut and remodel, then this may be for you. As with any painting project, the prep is key. The finish is very shiny and seems durable. I didn't skip any of the steps, although I sanded using just regular 120 grit paper, and used a palm sander which made it really fast. I went through a pack of 6 regular dense foam rollers, nothing fancy or expensive, and changed the roller when it started getting limp. This job took 3 light coats. Number 2. DWIL Tub Refinishing Kit. Give your bathroom a fresh, new look with our easy-to-use kit. It's perfect for updating tubs, tiles, and more. Everything you need is included, making this a simple DIY project for everyone. No prior experience is necessary. It works on bathtubs, sinks, countertops, floors, and walls. Just remember that darker surfaces may require 2 kits for full coverage. It's not suitable for use on the underside of metal, artificial marble, or peeling surfaces. Please check your surfaces before starting. You'll need to work quickly, but it dries completely in just 7 days. Once cured, it's highly durable and easy to clean. This water-based paint has a low odor and is formulated for superior adhesion. It won't flake or scratch easily. What we like? This water-based formula is low in odor, making it safer for indoor use. If you prioritize a healthier, less toxic option with all the necessary tools included, this kit is for you. It's perfect for those sensitive to strong fumes. Number 1. Magic 3124 Refinishing Kit. Give your bathroom a brand new look with ease. It's a simple way to update your sink, tub, or tiles without a major renovation. We'll guide you through every step of the process, from preparation to the final coat. With a little patience, you'll achieve professional-looking results. This durable, 2-part epoxy is specially formulated to withstand moisture. It will keep your fixtures looking great for years to come. Refinishing is far more affordable than replacing your fixtures. It's a cost-effective solution to update your bathroom's appearance. One kit covers 75 to 100 square feet, enough for 2 coats on a large tub or 2 average-sized tubs. You'll have plenty to work with. What we like? It offers excellent coverage and high-performance epoxy for a durable, long-lasting finish. If you're on a budget and need a product that covers a large area, this is the one. It's a great way to refresh your bathroom without spending a fortune. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.